Hello there. So today I will show you how to loop through a folder in SSIS. It will read several CSV files and add it to our SQL table. Let's get to it. Let's open Visual Studio, create a new project, integration services project, create. These are the steps. So yeah, we can make a bit. There you go. In the control flow pane, create a Foreach container. Foreach container, control flow pane, yes, Foreach loop container. In the control flow pane, inside the Foreach container, create a data flow task. Data flow task, nice. I should say drag and drop. Anyway, in the control flow pane, yes, create a flat file connection and a OLDB connect destination. In the flat file connection, check data types. Sure. Connection manager here. Flat file. Oops. Okay. CSV file. As just like in Power BI, I suppose, it will take the first file as an example. But don't quote me on that. So columns, we should fix or set the data types. This one in particular because this table is used for a incremental refresh. So let's set this as DB date. Nice. Now flat file connection manager and then destination. Where is the oh yes, it's already set my database username. Sure, that's it for now. Yes, let's create a variable. Create a variable file path. Nice. Which is yes. The variable, we should use a string and the full path for the file itself. What else? Create a variable, double click on the, okay, let's double click the data flow task. So we can go to data flow pane. Go into data flow pane, create a flat file source. Flat file source. Flat file source. There you go. Create a flat file source. Connect the created file, flat file source with step number 2, which is create a flat file connection. So let's double click this and it appears here automatically. Columns, fine, okay. So create a OLDB destination. There you go. Double click here. Oh yes, wait, before we double click, let's connect. There you go. Yes. So now let's see our tables, stocks, and now let's check the mappings. There you go. Because the columns have the same name, they map automatically, but here they don't have the same name. From ticker onwards, they don't have the same name. Let's go. There you go. That's it. Check mappings, go back to flow control. We are almost done. Well, a scripted video is quite fast. Edit the for each loop. Edit. Let's go in connections. For instead of, let's change for each item enumerator to for each file enumerator. Let's change the, let's set the folder and the file extension and add a variable. So folder up to here. Our folder containing the files, CSV. You could name it anyway. That's it. Variable mappings. Let's add a variable. There you go. Okay. On the connection manager small pane, connection manager small pane. This is the one. Edit the flat file connection manager in expressions, add a connection string and set the file path variable. In the small pane, edit this. Let's go to expressions, connection string, and add. There you go. That's it. That's it. And that's it. Let's, oh yes, so let me open the SQL. What time is it? 10:10. So, oops, no, not this one. 10:10 MSFT APL. So let's run this. Yes. Let's check. There you go. Go back to flow control, yes. And as a bonus, let's add a, because we run it again, we have now several duplicated entries. And let's connect here. And in the connection string, let's use our, yes, and here in SQL statement. There you go. And let's run it again, just to show you. Now we have doubled the amount of, okay, let's, if we just disable this, let's run again to triple the amount of data. Well, triple based on the original amount. Yes. Now, if we enable this, the amount will decrease considerably. I guess 9,000 and something and 10,000 and something. Let's check it out. Start. Running. Okay, let's just stop this. There you go. As simple as that. Thank you very much. Take care.